Good afternoon everyone. Myself Sarina, today's duty coordinator and class 2000 coordinator. Today we will be having a group discussion on the topic career selection, confusion and students. So firstly we will have a one-to-one introduction.
Hello everyone, myself Charlie Khandilkar from MSc final year, and here we are discussing the topic career selection confusion in students.
Hello everyone, myself Mukesh from MSc Maths second year.
Hello everyone, myself Isha, Department Speakathon Coordinator from MSc Maths final year, and today we are going to discuss on the topic career selection confusion in students.
Hello everyone, मेरा नाम संध्या है, मैं MSc मैथमेटिक्स से फाइनल ईयर की स्टूडेंट हूँ. हमारा टॉपिक है करियर सिलेक्शन कंफ्यूजन इन स्टूडेंट्स.
Hello everyone, this is Seema from MSc Mathematics final year. Okay, so we will start our GD now, starting from Mukesh.
Then we know that all the students are confused about the career. Firstly, we are discussing the topic wrong parental influence. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं वो अपने बच्चों को प्रेशर बनाते हैं कि जिस जॉब में वो खुद है ना वो उसको ही चूज करे. जैसे कि कोई टीचर है तो वो अपने बच्चे को बोलेगा कि आप टीचर ही बनो क्योंकि मैं एक टीचर हूँ, तो उसको वही सलाह देगा कि मैं इस फील्ड में अच्छे से जा रहा हूँ तो तेरे को भी यही चूज करना चाहिए. लेकिन जो बच्चा है ना वो अपनी मर्जी से अपना जो फैसला नहीं ले सकता, क्योंकि अगर उसका इंटरेस्ट क्या पता कुछ और बनने हो, लेकिन उसके पापा की वजह से या मम्मा की वजह से उसको वो चूज करना पड़ता है.
बट ऐसे में कुछ ऐसे फैमिलीज भी होती है जहाँ पर वो प्रेशर नहीं होता, बट जो स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, जो चाइल्ड होते हैं, वो खुद ये चीज़ प्रेफर करते हैं कि वो लोग उसी फील्ड में जाए जिस फील्ड में उनके पेरेंट्स हैं. लाइक अगर उनके पेरेंट्स का बिजनेस है, कोई प्राइवेट बिजनेस है, तो उनके बच्चे चाहेंगे कि वो उसी जिस फील्ड में उनकी फैमिली सक्सेसफुल है पहले से, वो उसी फील्ड को कंटिन्यू करें और उसी फील्ड में वो आगे बढ़ें.
And moreover, there is a reason behind it of the wrong parental influence, because if a parent is serving in a particular job, he wants his or her child to be to serve in that job only. Why? Because they know that how to succeed in that part only, because they haven't faced other paths. So they feel that it is a comfortable zone for their child also, that they will be able to success in that field.
Yes, parents think like they have experience in that field, so their child will get any help from if they work in that field only. So that is also a big reason that that is faced by children, that is wrong parental influence.
And also, if we can see that some parents have the dream job in their childhood or in their young age, and they were not able to achieve that because of some of the reasons. They want that their child should fulfill their dreams. They doesn't see that their children is having another dream job or something else. They just want that their dream job should be there. If they were not able to do that, their child should do that. So it affects a lot to a single child.
And also a big confusion to students also that they should listen to their parents or they should listen to their own them, like in which field they want to go. It starts from just after 10th. Like after 10th there is a big confusion in selecting the field in which the stream in which the student should go, like medical or non-medical or arts even. But parents think like most of the parents also think ki arts is a subject which is not good for their child. Like they think that arts is taken by only those students who are not good at studies or who are not having any interest in studies, but that is not true. This thinking also should be changed in parents also.
This was the first reason that we discussed. Another one can be the economical problem. Like many of the students think that their parents can't afford their further studies, so they just pursue a career in which that is economically suitable, and that would be can give more earning.
Yeah, there is a best solution to these types of problems, as government provides many loans and many schemes to the students for selection of the better career in which they want to pursue the studies and they want to pursue their higher studies. So I think we should aware, and there should be some awareness programs in villages by the sarpanches or in the schools by the career counselors or the teachers, so that the students can get a financial help and they can just pursue their to a dream job.
Yes, in various universities, not only in various universities, almost all universities have scholarships scholarships also. Like students who are in need, they get scholarships, but students are not aware about that. These scholarships are available in that university or in the university they are dreaming in to go. So that is a basic problem that students face, that they are not having knowledge about that.
I think someone was speaking something. Speaking like too many advertisement is also because of this. Like when we select, in, for example, we select for graduation, like हम graduation के लिए हमने science के लिए फिर so many opportunities हमारे पास आ जाती है कि हम CGL कर सकते हैं, UPSC के लिए जा सकते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा ही कंफ्यूजन आ जाती है कि हम कहाँ सेलेक्ट करें, कि हम इस पोर्शन के इतना अच्छा यहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, वहाँ भी कर सकते हैं, और ऐसे कंफ्यूज होते हैं, हम किसी भी फील्ड में अच्छे से नहीं जा पा रहे होते. Yes, and moreover, if a boy gets graduated, he feels like a burden of having some financially independent. He think of like that because he thinks that he need to make his family financial more independent. So what he does, he doesn't pursue more studies further. He think of going giving some competitive exams, whether in which he is interested or not. That's why it makes a lot of confusion to him or her that he doesn't able to make his 100% in that part because he was not at all interested. But because of some financial or other conditions, he just do those things.
Yes, and continuing in this same, some boys are like they want to pursue PhD, but for that there are so many years that they have to feel they have to depend on their parents. But in that case, those boys think that they should drop their dream of doing PhD or doing research, and they think of doing in some other department like government jobs or any other private jobs in which they can give money, they can support their families financially. That is the main also.
I think girls feel that जो है more difficulties की को करती है, सामना करती है कि क्या कैसा करियर चूज करना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर एक गर्ल मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में जाना चाहती है तो फिर वही पेरेंटल इफेक्ट वाली बात आ जाती है. पेरेंट्स सजेस्ट करेंगे कि नहीं आपको ऐसी जॉब करनी चाहिए जहाँ से 9 से 5 आप फ्री हो जाओ, फिर फैमिली को भी आप देख लो. And here a lot of advertisement and advertisers also matter. How if we just scroll our YouTube or some social sites, then we see that many study apps and many career counseling apps they are there. They just do advertisement, and if a student is preparing for something else, he see that part also. For some period of time, he get attracted to that job. He just try to search about other things because in the advertisements the things are shown which can attract the people or the students. They get confused. Yeah, I can do this also, and I can do this also. At that part, they get confused, and their study get affected.
Also, the studies also get affected, but also they make decision in that field which is not good for them also. And this wrong decision matters for their whole life. They also think like that decision was very bad about him, about her, which they had taken earlier. And this regret is also there in every child who has done that in whole life.
So like Isha was saying, जो private tuitions जिसके parents करते हैं, sometimes students think कि like मेरे parents ऐसा कर रहे हैं तो I can do like this. But after some time he finds or she finds that he is not interested, much more interested in that field. तो ना वो अपने business में कामयाब हो पाता है, ना उसके लिए हमें जरूरी है कि हम अपना इंटरेस्ट सबसे पहले फाइंड आउट करें, देन वी चूज आवर करियर.
एज फैक्टर बहुत मैटर कर जाता है सिचुएशन में. वो पहले बिजनेस में चले जाते हैं एंड उसके बाद उनको ये लगता है कि नहीं बिजनेस के बगैर हमें किसी और लाइन में जाना चाहिए. तब उनकी एज इतनी हो जाती है कि फिर वो आगे परस्यू नहीं कर पाते हैं उस चीज़ की स्टडीज में.
And moving on another point that indecision created by the peers. For example, say I'm preparing for a particular exam. I shares with Isha that I'm preparing for that. She get influenced by me by seeing that this sector is providing a good job also. Maybe she is not having interest in that, but by seeing me, she get somewhat attracted to that. She also started preparing, but she was not able to make that much performance that I was making because I was having interest in that, but she was not having. So this is the factor that why Isha doesn't get successful in that field.
Yes.
Because mainly she was not interested, but because of the peers, students get attracted and they start preparing.
Yeah, after MSc also, like some students think of going into competitive jobs in SSC line, we can say. But by seeing those students, some other students also get attracted कि हमें भी उसी फील्ड में जाना चाहिए. But ऐसी सिचुएशन में होता क्या है, जो ये इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन हो जाती है जिसमें जिनका इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता वो भी चले जाते हैं, उसमें दोनों जगह का लॉस होता है कि वो जिस फील्ड में जाने वाले थे वहाँ पर भी वो वर्क नहीं कर पाए, और जिस फील्ड में वो लोग गए वहाँ पर उनको भी बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हुई. जिनका इंटरेस्ट था, जिनका एक तरह से ड्रीम था कि वो उस पोजीशन पे जाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए भी डिफिकल्टी हो जाएगी क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है फिर उस फील्ड में. तो पीयर्स को देखकर हमें वो डिसीजन नहीं लेना चाहिए, हमें खुद के इंटरेस्ट के बेसिस पे जाना चाहिए.
And whether it is a long term or short term, we can't decide our dream job by seeing others'
Yes.
dream job, right?
और एज करियर डिस्कशन तो लाइक हम स्टूडेंट्स भी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में नहीं करते, हमें क्या करियर चूज करना चाहिए ना, हमारे पेरेंट्स की भी एक रहता है कि क्या करना चाहिए, उनसे नहीं पूछते. वो सेशन होने चाहिए स्कूल और कॉलेजेस में भी इसके अबाउट, ताकि हमें थोड़ी सी अवेयरनेस रहे इस चीज़ पे. वो कमी भी है कि हमारे जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम में या जहाँ पे भी है अपना पेरेंटल सिस्टम है वहाँ पे भी हमसे पूछा नहीं जाता, डिस्कस नहीं किया जाता, सो दैट हम अवेयर रहे और अपने इंटरेस्ट को खोज सके कि कहाँ से हम अच्छा कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, Seema. Right from school, there should be proper career counseling. I think students start thinking of his career from sixth standard.
Yes.
I think, and if not sixth standard, from
Eighth.
ninth standard. And if there should be proper career counseling in the schools, right from sixth or ninth class, then students will be able to make their decisions that yes, I am having my interest in this particular field, and I can make through it by seeing all the perspective and all the dimensions and areas of that field.
Yes, right. Right after sixth or eighth or even 10th, we should have career counselings in schools also, in colleges also. Like after bachelor's also, we should have career counselors. We should get a proper counseling about what are the possibilities that we can go, in which directions we can go. All the directions should be told to the students, like they can choose from them.
Also, we should have a second plan B. But
Yes.
more times we think we can do this in that particular field better, but we can't. So we always have a second particular plan B, so that if we are failing in that particular, we can follow that plan B.
Yes.
And most importantly, then the lack of knowledge among the students. If a student is not having a proper knowledge about any particular field, though he is interested, though he dreams of like that, I want to go in a defense forces, I want to become a pilot, and he's not having that much of proper knowledge, then how he can pursue the further studies for getting that dream job? Because of that, he need to study and he need to search more about that thing to just pursue his dream job.
Like as Selena said, some students that are like single students, they want to join defense, but they don't because they think that their family need them. So they just drop their plan of joining defense and try to go in some other field. Like this also creates a
Yeah,
problem.
single child, more thing about that jobs that he can't just go away from his parents for doing the jobs.
Yes.
As I am single child, I can also.
You can also relate that. Yeah. But we can also do that. If you are a single child, you can pursue your dream job also, and you can take your parents along with you.
Yes.
So it will be more relevant. You will be able to do your that job also, and your parents will be with you.
And satisfaction also that you get after doing your dream job, after completion of all the steps that are taken for doing that job, that satisfaction is a big like achievement of every student that he or she gets.
So I think we are done with our discussion. So basically we have discussed few of the points. Let me summarize all the points with the solutions. Firstly, the reason is the lack of knowledge. For that, one need to search more about the job he want to pursue or a career in which he wants to make his, in which he wants to just to have a dream job. Next one is the too many advertisements and advertisers are there, from which a student get attracted to others also. For that, he just need to focus him on his or her path only. Doesn't see the other things and doesn't scroll the other things for which he or she can get attracted. So next is wrong parental influence for a child. he just need to make his or parents influenced by his careers, that yes, I can pursue this job and I can do much more better in this part of the field. Next one is the by seeing the peers decision. So one just among the peers, there should be discussion about the careers, but there shouldn't be attraction towards others' careers. And next one is there should be proper counseling in the schools and colleges to give more information about those fields, about their dimensions and the areas, so that child can know about the things very well. Thank you.